This unit will introduce you to editing content on your site. You will learn how to access the page you wish to edit and what you should be seeing in the editor and toolbar. We are also going to take you through the publishing process here at New Paltz. You can access the page you wish to edit one of two ways. The first would be clicking the transparent link on the newpaltz.edu page you will be editing. If you are already in the OmniUpdate interface, you can find the page you'd like to edit under the Pages tab. Once on the specific page, you will see a green Edit Main Content button on top of the current page content. By clicking this green button, you will now be able to see a toolbar and be able to edit the content. OmniUpdate uses a What You See is What You Get, or WYSIWYG toolbar and editor. This is a very user-friendly editing system that allows users to edit as though they were editing using a word processor. This toolbar has a variety of functions available to you, each of them performing an action either directly to the page or to the selected text or graphic. Pressing Shift and Enter together will move your cursor down one single line. Just hitting Enter will start a new paragraph, skipping multiple lines. Using the spacebar to alter the spacing on the page is not an OmniUpdate best practice. You are only to use the spacebar in between words and sentences as you would when typing a document. Instead, a table should be used to format content. Use bullet points and numbered lists for clean formatting and easy reading. Once you have finished editing the page, click the Save button in the upper left-hand corner of the toolbar. After saving your page, the file is on the staging server and is not yet visible to the public. The staging server is visible only to those within the OmniUpdate system. After the page is saved, you can choose to edit the page further, view your changes, check the page back in for later editing, or to send the page for approval and publishing. Depending on your publishing rights for the page, as determined by your administrator, you can choose to publish the page by clicking on Publish Now. If you are clicking Send for Approval, you will be prompted to email the Digital Media Department to review the changes you just made. Once the page is sent for approval, the changes will be reviewed as expeditiously as possible and either reply with comments or publish the changes to your site. Note that once you have sent the page in for approval, you cannot make any more changes to it until the Digital Media Department has approved and published the other changes.